People who waste your time, right? This is always going to happen in business, right? People are always going to be asking for your advice, asking to go for that coffee in exchange for picking your brain. Clients or leads who are constantly badgering you, pestering you, asking for discounts. People like event organizers and podcasts and people writing, white papers that want to interview you and get your expertise for free. How do you deal with this without being an a-hole, right? I understand that there are always different reasons and purposes for making different decisions in business and whether you do things for free or not. Now, first of all, can I pre-frame this with the fact that I strongly believe that there are definitely times and places for doing stuff for free, speaking for free, doing podcasts for free, being part of research papers for free, right? I built my brand in the early days with doing free stuff. It did get me leverage. It did get me exposure. It did help me get in front of an audience that I didn't yet have and hadn't yet built for myself. So anyone who is starting out, I strongly recommend you constantly filter through these requests for free stuff in the strategic manner of how likely is it going to be that I will get paying customers from this opportunity, because some of them are great opportunities. However, a lot of the time, 99% of the time, they are a waste of time. And there is this constant conflict, especially when you're a caring, kind, decent person who has integrity and passion for your work and someone who really, really wants to help other people. There is this constant pressure to be able to respond and help and serve, but also not do that in a way that's entirely detrimental to your time, at which you are causing losses in your business. You cannot do everything for free, right? You do have to make money in your business. So there is one really simple way that you can solve the problem of time wasters, that you can make sure that you're choosing every potential opportunity to make money as far as is physically possible. And the simplest way to do this is with a simple paid digital calendar, right? I use a digital calendar. I use Techmatics for mine. But a digital calendar is literally how I reply to all of these requests I get that come into my inbox, that come into my messenger, that come through my text messages, that come through WhatsApp. Just a quick question, just need to pick your brain. For me, it's only the people who are paying me. Inside my Legends Lab, I have a WhatsApp group. They can ask me multiple questions anytime because they're paying me. They're in my membership, right? I answer those questions anytime inside that group. However, people who come into my inbox and say, can I pick your brain? Just a quick question. Can I interview you for my white paper? Blah, 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 blah. My response simply is, with pure politeness, love, thanks, and gratitude, thank you so much for thinking of me. I would love to contribute to that. I would love to help you with this. I can definitely answer this question for you and help you with that. Here's the link to my calendar for you to book an appointment. When they click on that appointment link, it has a calendar collection. It has a 30-minute appointment, a 60-minute, a 90-minute, a 2-hour, a 3-hour. They can choose whichever one they want, but they are paid. They have to pay for them. Only today, I had someone say, we're putting together a white paper and it's going to be presented to all of these big organizations. Can we interview you? Absolutely. Thank you so much for thinking of me. I love that you thought of me. I would love to contribute to that. 100%. Here's a link to my calendar. And they replied saying, oh, sorry, I see that there's a paywall for that. Please, can we just book a call to have a chat and do the interview? No, this is my job. This is my job. My job is to be a coach, to be a speaker, to be a leader, to be a business owner, to be a consultant. This is my job. I need to be paid. If you don't have the budget for paid experts, for a paid consultant, for a paid coach, unfortunately, I'm not the right person for you. I wish you all the best. This is all you have to do. Can I pick your brains and ask you a few questions? Absolutely. I'd love to do that for you. Here's the link to my calendar. Paid calendar. That, my friends, is how you completely and utterly change the whole entire trajectory of your business and the way people treat you. Literally, how you behave is how you get treated. What you allow is exactly what you get back. So if you are constantly bending over backwards and doing all these free things and people are pestering you constantly, you are only going to continue to have that. By being able to be loving, thank you, I love that, I want to, yes, here's the link to pay. You change the entire dynamic, not only of those individual conversations and those individual relationships, but of the whole entire bottom line of your business and the control that you have over how you are treated by the marketplace. So set up yourself a free calendar. I've got a free tutorial on how to do that. Just type in book me or calendar. Forget, let's put calendar. Put calendar below, and I've got a free tutorial that's just on YouTube. There's nothing to sign up for, to show you how to do that, because it's really easy to do. It's very affordable to do, and you're going to start earning money instead of just constantly having your brain picked. And it's a really nice, easy way, especially if you're someone who is a people pleaser. Well, a lot of us are chronic people pleasers, and you don't like having those awkward conversations and saying no. This is the way to solve it. I hope that helps. Get your calendar set up, baby, and start charging what you're worth. This is your job. And anyone who replies back with, oh, well, you know, that's not fair, my reply to that would be, would you go to work for free? Would you? Would they? Would anyone you know go to work for free? Yeah, you can't either. Okay, love you, bye.